Hello, I'm Ivan Goncharov, an immigration lawyer. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of accessing or correcting personal data stored in the Schengen Information System, or SIS II, when the alert was issued by Slovenia. Slovenia grants a direct right of access. This means individuals can apply directly to the police under the Ministry of the Interior to find out if their data is registered in the SIS II. You may submit your request in writing or even orally for the record. Requests can be filed with the police in Ljubljana or submitted through border crossings, consular missions, or administrative units. The application is then forwarded immediately to the appropriate authority. A dedicated form for requesting information on data held in the Slovenian SIS is available in English. See the link in the video description below. When making your request, the police are required to enable you to consult and verify whether your data is being processed, receive an extract of your personal data, see who your data was shared with, on what basis, and for what purpose, understand the source and method of data processing, learn why the alert was issued and how your data is being used, and even be informed of the technical and decision-making processes behind it. Requests are processed free of charge. The only cost you may face is for photocopying, according to the national rules on cost recovery. The police must provide the requested information within 15 days, or else explain in writing why the request was refused. However, certain restrictions apply. Your right to consult personal data can be limited if national security, public order, criminal investigations, or protection of third-party rights are at stake. If your request is denied or left unanswered, you can appeal to the Information Commissioner of Slovenia in Ljubljana. They will review your complaint, examine evidence, and, if necessary, interview the parties involved to ensure your rights are upheld. The appeal process is also free of charge. To access official addresses, the SIS form link, and additional support, check the video description. And if you need legal help drafting your application or responding to a refusal, feel free to get in touch with me. Thanks for watching.